Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in 3ds Max. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glide Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you how to create copy, instance and reference in 3ds Max, and we will understand the difference between the three. So now I will create one example by creating a box. So I will select this box and I will quickly draw a box here. With the left mouse click you can change the parameters here, and you can drag this to Z direction and box will form here, and you can also change parameters from here, and you can get your desired length, width and height from these parameters. So now this is a box, and you can also give any color from here, name and color. So now I will select this, select and move, or you can also press W on your keyboard, and now this is the symbol of moving your object. So you can move in Y direction, you can move in X direction, and you can also go in Z direction. But we are required to make a copy of this, so you are required to bring your cursor here and press shift on your keyboard, and with the left mouse click pressed you should drag this to any direction. So I am going to drag this to this direction to any distance. So I am going to leave my left mouse click here, and after this it will ask clone option. So it will ask whether you want to make copy of this instance or reference and number of copies. So by default it is 1 and copy is selected. So first I need to show you how to create copy. So I will select copy and I will give this number. So I am going to make a 3 copy of this, and I will press this OK. So you can see this is the 3 copy of this object box. So if I am going to make any changes to this box, so how you can do this? After selecting this box you are required to go to this modifier list, and you can see this. We will understand this modifier list in upcoming tutorials in detail. So you can change your parameters after selecting this modifier list, and you can make any changes to this box, these parameters, and you can change also width and height. What is the difference? The other 3 copy boxes are not having any changes, and you have to select one by one a copy of this object to make any changes here. So I am going to make another copy of this box, and I will create only a single copy, object copy 1. Okay, and I will apply any different color to make you understand. So this is the box. Now I am going to make instance of this. So I will select this box, and the same process with the shift press on your keyboard and left mouse click pressed, you should drag to any direction. So I am going to drag this to this direction only, and now I will create this not copy but instance. I will select this instance and I will again enter any number of copies. So I will again press this 3, and now these are the 3 instances of this object, and these are the 3 copy of this object. So if I am going to make any changes to this object, what will happen in instance? So I am going to this modifier list, and I am making any changes. You can see the other 3 objects are also having the same changes is getting applied. So this is the advantage of instance. So you should do practice how to utilize copy, instance and reference. So again, if I am selecting this object, if I am making changes, the other 3 also are getting changed. So this is the instance. You can select any object and make changes, but if you select in copy, it will do changes in the individual object. So now the third one, I am going to create another copy. I will press shift here and move this to this direction here, and now I will apply any other color here, and now I will show you how to create reference, so we'll understand the difference. If I am going to create a clone object here with the shift keyboard pressed on your mouse and left mouse pressed. And now I will create a reference instead of copy instance. I will select this reference, and again I will select number of copies, 3 only, and you can see these are the reference. So if I am selecting this object, from modifier list you can do changes. It is applying to these objects also, and these are the instance of this object, so it is getting changing in this also. These are the instances and these are reference. So if I am going to select this object, so you cannot see any modifier option in the reference. You can get only from the source object here, the reference changing options. So you can see this. But if I am going to select this one, there is no option in modifier list. If I am clicking, there is no option to make any changes. Same applies to this object also. There is no option for making changes from modifier list. But the source object you will get the option. So this is the difference between copy, instance and reference. So again, if I am selecting, you can get options in modifier list. In the instance you can make changes. So now I think you have understand this concept of copy, instance and reference in the 3ds Max. So this was the tutorial for today's session. In the next session I will come with some more topics in 3ds Max. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.